People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So today, people, we're going to talk about the Jamaican Ghetto Michael Jackson, as he's known on Instagram, people. So we have this youth with up on Instagram dancing like Michael Jackson, claim him got all the moves of Michael Jackson. Well, some people are, people have different point of views. Some are saying that him have mental issues problem. Some say him just a live him life. Some say I just saw the man steal from him born. But me not go judge. Me not come to judge nobody. Him out there enjoy himself, have fun by these clips that I'm about to show you. Him really out there take the dancing scene. Some might like it, some might don't. But just pre this and check it out for yourself. Watch ya. So as you can see, people, him up on the dance floor, them give him the dance floor, and him I make the best of it. As you can see, I don't want to play too much of the Michael Jackson song because YouTube copyright thing. But tell me what you think in the comment section, people. Now, the Ghetto Michael Jackson, as he's known, is he just trying to get his 15 minutes of fame like everybody else that them finding in Jamaica? Like, them people you find in your community and say, yeah, I'm funny. Let me record him and put him on the internet to get some likes, to get some views. Is he one of those? Or is he here for stay? Let me know in the comment section, people, you think Ghetto Michael Jackson. As you can see, just dance to Michael Jackson song. He danced to a variety of different songs. I guess this particular song he was jamming to was Version. And he's also doing promos for DJ and things. To check out that clip here.
Jay. I'm Michael Jackson. I represent for AdFirst.
Yeah, man, Michael Jackson, yeah, funny because you can see him a moonwalking at the other video and I know him no move from which part him there. So people, big up in yourself. If you like this video, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. We have a whole lot more videos for drop. Cool.